Hi friend! Great afternoon dito sa ating house in Bulacan. So let's continue studying the Maxwell Daily Reader. So ano ba yung lesson natin today from Sir Chan Maxwell? The 30-second rule. So what is the 30-second rule? Sabi niya, when most people meet others, they search for ways to make themselves look good. So, pinupuli daw natin po ang self natin. So, today, parang we are asked by Sir John Maxwell uh, to recognize the people that may tayo yung mag-anak, the things siguro sa physical or contribution, achievement ng person na nakamit natin. So, the key to the 30-second is reversing this practice. When you make contact with people, instead of focusing on yourself, search for ways to make them look good. So, i-praise natin or i-recognize natin or i-affirm natin person that we are meeting. So, sa office, sa school, sa ministry, or even our partner or our parents. Take 30 seconds with each person you meet today to add value to them. So that's our tip for today from Sir John Maxwell. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.